What's up, guys? Thanks for clicking on my video. I got the 3D printed drone. I'm gonna rip it around, let you guys check it out. This here is going to be running on a 6S. It's a little out of spec, but we got it tuned just right. I think we're going to be okay. So we got this big 6S battery on there and my analog. So yeah, let's get this bird in the air and see what she'll do. Thanks for checking it out. I have a microphone that I'm going to wire up in here, so check out some videos where you can actually hear this thing ripping up close. That ought to be pretty cool. So yeah, please like and subscribe. My name's Randy. Until next time.